Hi, my name is James Tanner and I help landlords improve their energy efficiency and their EPC. Did you know that energy efficient properties have an increased capital value? Furthermore, tenants are really demanding to rent more energy efficient properties and lenders are offering lower rates. My talk is based on 15 years experience as a full-time professional landlord. I will share with you all my tips and ideas about how you can make your property more energy efficient and improve your EPC. We'll cover heating, hot water, electricity and renewables. I'll help you build a roadmap of all the things you need to do to make your property more energy efficient and improve your EPC. The clock is ticking. The government have proposed that all landlord properties will need to have a minimum EPC of C in the future. So if you want to learn how to make your property more energy efficient and improve your EPC, come to my talk. I look forward to meeting you soon. Thank you.